Hi guys, so I want to share my favorite lens with you of all time. If I had to shoot an entire wedding on one lens, this would be the lens. And it is my Nifty 50. It's definitely my favorite lens of all time. So right now I have the Sigma 50mm 1.4 Art. And it is absolutely incredible. The colors and the crispness, the quality of the photos are just beautiful. If you're a little bit more on a budget, you can also get the Nifty 50. I think this is like less than $200. It's the Nikon 50mm 1.8. And honestly, I used that for I think my first couple of years of business and it was awesome. But definitely like once I upgraded, like this is just amazing. And the reason I love this lens is because it's super versatile, so you can use it in so many different situations, and it's just a really good focal length. It's more like what you see with your eye when you're looking at things, and it allows you to shoot in low light. It allows you to get really close and far away. You just have to use your feet to get closer and further away. It's not a zoom lens. I just think the quality is really there, even if you get the cheaper Nikon version, and it is my favorite by far to use when I'm shooting weddings. I hope that was really helpful. If you have any questions about the 50mm or any of my gear, I actually have a whole video on all of my photography gear that I use, so I'll definitely link that in the description and at the end of this video. So thank you guys for watching, and can't wait to share more next week. Bye guys!